Ma'am, can I speak to you for a second?
Yeah, sure.
All right. I guess what's going on with your account?
I don't know. That's what I'm trying to figure out.
All right. Do you have your ID with you?
She has it.
She has it?
Yes.
All right. What's your name?
Yes, she has all the information.
Okay. Here, let's go over to the counter.
I was going to use the restroom.
Well, give it a second, all right?
Okay, thank you.
All right. Here, let's just go to the counter here. All right. Could you see that we get her ID? I guess there's some confusion about who you are and what your accounts are.
There should be.
Okay.
Yeah. Can I go outside?
No.
Oh.
Here, have a seat right here for me. Here, have a seat. Have a seat. All right. Now, who gave you this check?
It's right here.
Okay. And what did they give you the check for?
I'm a lawyer, so.
Okay. All right. So it's for services?
Yes, sir.
All right. And you live in Coral Gables right now?
Yes, I have an Airbnb that I'm doing in Biscaya.
Okay.
So.
All right. So what does do?
It's one of the my clients.
Okay. With like what kind of work do you what business are they in?
I'm not sure. It's my client. He wrote the check.
Okay. You say he's your client, but you don't know what business he's in?
No, I'm sorry.
Is it a person or an actual business?
A normal afternoon at the bank suddenly became serious after employees reported possible fraud connected to one customer's account. Officers arrived to figure out why bank staff believed something suspicious was happening. The woman trying to cash the check stayed calm and told police she was a lawyer. But while she answered questions, employees quietly explained that they believed the ID she was using was fake.
No, it's a person.
Okay.
Is my partner in this? Okay.
So I just want to give you a little bit of the history without her hearing me.
Okay.
She's been coming into branches for the last few weeks taking money. Yesterday we got a call from back office. She's not who she says she is. They've already blocked the account. We've confirmed with the client that this is not her.
Okay.
She's taken a lot of money from these people. She has an ID. It's clearly a fake ID.
So where's the actual client?
Down south.
In Miami?
So this client says that she doesn't have a debit card. We confirmed that the real client has a debit card. She uses her debit card.
And how does she get money out?
She comes in with a fake ID. She knows all the information for these people.
How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Not bad. What do you drive? Ma'am? Ma'am?
A Cadillac.
Okay. What color is it?
White.
Let me just check this in the car on the computer.
Alright, she drives a white Cadillac, she said, from outside. Where's it parked?
Out front, out on the side.
All right. I think we figured this out. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to read you something. All right. I'm required to warn you before you make these statements if you have the following constitutional rights. Okay? You have the right to remain silent, not answer any questions. Do you understand? You have the right to remain. Any statement you make must be freely and voluntarily given. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
You have the right to the presence and representation of a lawyer of your choice before you make these statements and during any questioning. Do you understand? Okay.
Bank workers told officers the same woman had visited different branches over the past few weeks and taken money from the accounts several times. They also said the real account owner had confirmed she did not know the woman. According to staff, the suspect already knew personal account details, which helped her complete withdrawals without immediately raising alarms. By then, investigators believed the fraud had been happening for a while.
If you cannot afford a lawyer, you're entitled to the presence and representation of a court-appointed lawyer before you make any statements and during any questions. Understand? You understand? At any time during the interview, you not wish to answer any questions or update. All right, I can make no threats or promises to induce you to make a statement, especially of your own free will. Understand? And any statement can and will be in one of the court. All right, now you said you're a lawyer, so I guess all those rights you understand. All right, I guess the big question is, while I have your driver's license in hand, what's your real name?
That is I'll speak to my attorney.
All right. You can do that.
Thank you.
All right, I'm going to place you under arrest.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you could just sit down.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay.
I was just gonna turn it for you. That's all I was doing. Trying to be reasonable.
I'm just trying to make it
Yeah, I'm looking for
comfortable for you.
Yeah.
If you do it like you're praying, it's more comfortable.
This one. I should put these things down first.
You got it? You have anything on you we should know about?
No. There's nothing.
All right, I'm placing you under arrest for fraud.
Okay.
All right, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna collect some information. Hang with it for a second while I get some of the supporting stuff. I guess you were here yesterday, you withdrew some money? Okay,
I'm just gonna talk to my attorney.
all right, sounds good.
She's got other information for you.
Do you know this woman, or do you have any idea who she is? She hasn't provided her name yet, outside of her driver's license, which shows your name and her picture.
Absolutely not. This is fraud.
Right, no, I understand that. I wasn't sure if you, know how she got the information or anything else.
Police questioned the woman about the ID and the check she was trying to cash. Even after officer explained the situation, she continued insisting that the identity belonged to her. A few moments later, officers placed her under arrest inside the bank. Employees watched as investigators escorted her out while continuing to collect evidence from the branch.
Because I'm walking into this, fresh, and so it's kind of important for me to articulate the whole idea. I mean, obviously, she's got a fake driver's license with your information on it and her picture.
Okay.
And she's trying to deposit a check.
She wants to cash it. She came in last night.
Well, that's what she did yesterday
Right.
and the day before.
Okay.
I have a Coral Gables case number right now, which was just opened.
Okay, did she do this, did she commit any frauds in Coral Gables?
Not that I know of.
Okay.
Not that I know of, because what alerted me to this, I always look at my bank account,
Right,
and I had given some information to a rental company last week. And as my private banker is aware, I have Citibank. I'm always checking the accounts. I am always very, proactive, because we have a lot of funds going in and out of our accounts.
right,
My husband's a very high-profile attorney. I also work with him. I'm also an attorney. So yesterday, around, I would say probably 4 o'clock, I'm speaking to Maydell regarding the issue of getting some information, and I'm like, you're not going to believe this. I go, there was a deposit done April 4th for $19.84, and then a simultaneous withdrawal through a teller. I rarely go, I go through tellers, but only here in Coral Gables.
right, and this is, I'm
Yeah.
sorry, but this deposit and, withdrawal was here at this bank here in Delray?
And
Correct, I've never been there.
I'm waiting last week.
Never been there.
Okay, so
And then-
are we talking about the 4-4, that was in Boynton? Okay, so,
There's one in Boynton also.
it's in Boynton, okay. All right. And then, tell me about the one that happened yesterday here in Delray.
Soon after, the real account holder spoke with police and explained that she had noticed strange transactions on her account days earlier. She said money had been deposited and withdrawn from branches she had never visited. Investigators learned that large amounts of cash were allegedly taken shortly after fake deposits were made. The pattern convinced police that the transactions were not accidental mistakes.
Okay, then I guess she proceeded to do it again because she thought that she was able to do it the day before yesterday.
Right.
She made another deposit and then she made another withdrawal. This time, she deposited more money
How much?
than she withdrew. She deposited $5,800,
Yeah.
and then a few minutes later, because I see it in my phone, she withdrew $4,000.
Okay. Can you give me printouts of those transactions?
We're not allowed.
You're not allowed. All right.
And how does this person look like?
She's got lighter hair than you. I mean, just from a small picture, because the only thing I can see is the picture of you and her. I mean, there are differences, but it's not crazy different. She's a light complexion, a little lighter than you. Lighter blonde hair. She looks to be a little older, I believe. And like here, I assume is your date. Looks a little older than 53, but then again, you can never really tell exactly. Some people age better than others.
Let me tell you, kudos to my partner banker.
Oh,
Seriously, very
Soon after, the real account holder spoke with police and explained that she had noticed strange transactions on her account days earlier. She said money had been deposited and withdrawn from branches she had never visited. Investigators learned that large amounts of cash were allegedly taken shortly after fake deposits were made. The pattern convinced police that the transactions were not accidental mistakes.
It's impressive because she's got a very good-looking driver's license.
Okay, so I do have a problem though.
What's that?
I'm a branding manager, so I don't know, but a couple years ago we had the exact same scenario, and that manager told the lady officer, that we are not allowed to give sworn statements from the bank.
Really?
So you will have to go based off what she tells you.
Okay. All right.
I don't know where that statement goes if I were to give it to you, and then I get in trouble for giving it.
I mean, it ends up it's for the state attorney's office, so.
Yeah, so it's probably best.
All right. All right. You did?
Yeah.
Thanks.
Your car's not out here, I'm guessing?
Yeah, when I pulled up, there was a guy in the passenger seat of his car sitting over there. I'm guessing he probably before he drove off. If I had to,
You want me to call Kimmy to meet you?
yeah, I mean, that would be great, because these are open.
Whoa, what is this?
It's our restraint system. Just sit in and you'll be fine. Just sit in normal.
Officers compared the fake ID with the real customer's information and noticed several differences once they looked closely. Even though the ID appeared convincing at first, investigators believed it was being used to steal money from the account. Police also became suspicious that another person may have been helping from outside the bank. A man sitting in a nearby car caught investigators' attention during the arrest.
Gotta be working with somebody. When I pulled up, there was a guy in the car sitting there in the passenger seat.
Pull that out from the website. Without a paper trail. Can't get by without a paper trail.
Have you ever seen somebody have a deal this good?
That's pretty good.
I've never
I
seen.
mean, yeah, but that's pretty good.
Yeah, I mean, obviously, when I ran it, the picture didn't match.
Yeah,
It's like, all right. As soon as I saw that,
yeah,
that's the only thing I had.
yeah.
So as far as charges, I can charge you with using a fake license, and then with grand theft.
Well, crossing county lines.
That's true, you can have that.
Yeah. To commit fraud?
Yeah, because it's grand theft.
So I just want to make sure
I don't know where she lives.
Jacksonville, you said.
Well, her ID said that I used to where she lives. She said she was like that. I guess she doesn't have an address right now.
I'll go with that
that's what
one.
she said.
Yes, we can.
Go off that one, Cold Springs.
By the end of the case, the woman faced charges related to bank fraud, grand theft, forged checks, and using a fake ID. What started as a routine visit to the bank ended with a full fraud investigation and an arrest. The investigation later concluded with probation and several criminal charges. For the bank employees, it was a reminder of how quickly a normal workday can turn into a major criminal case.